guys, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Hillary.
And I'm Lauren.
And if you are new here, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe down below. We'd love to hear what you guys think of our videos.
Welcome to our channel.
So for this video, we thought it'd be a really fun idea to make some DIY drinks for the holidays since they are right around the corner.
So we have a bunch of fun recipes to share with you. We're gonna make drinks with you guys. We're in our PJs, we're just hanging out, and we can't wait to share.
Yeah, so when I was younger, my family and I used to make holiday drinks, and it brought back a lot of memories. So I was like, wow, this is perfect. All we need is alcohol. So we're gonna be adding some alcohol into our holiday drinks. You can make them without alcohol.
Yeah, I mean, we've tried them without. They're good either way, so we just thought it'd be fun to spice it up.
Yeah, spice it up. But it's fun because we're in our PJs and you can do this with your friends, have a little like holiday slumber party.
Yeah, girls' night in.
A pajama party.
Get some cute holiday photos together.
Or you can just be by yourself in your kitchen.
Yeah, I mean, do what you want. This is for everyone.
Yeah, you do you.
So let's get started with these drinks. So the first drink we're making is peppermint hot chocolate, and you can add some rum in there if you want. So we already added in the hot chocolate cocoa mix and water, right?
Yeah, we added in the hot water, and we're gonna add in the half and half next. Half and half is optional. You can use milk or just water.
Non-dairy products like coconut milk, almond milk. I mean, there's a lot of options for you. So do whatever you like best, and we'll add 2 tablespoons, is that right?
Yeah, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons, and the directions and all the ingredients will be all on the screen as well, and we will have it down below in the bio, so yeah, enjoy. Let's see how it tastes. It needs more rum.
I mean, I can make that happen for you. We'll add in another.
Yeah, we just need a smidge more rum in there. Flavor. So this is the fun part where you get to add your chocolate. You can add peppermint, whipped cream,
sprinkles.
Sprinkles. We're just gonna do whipped cream and some dark chocolate chunks. So for this drink, it is going to be the Jungle Jam Yandy holiday drink. You will need rosé, pink rosé, 7-Up, cranberry, and some vodka. We actually just use vodka from home. You can get vodka at the store.
Or flavored.
Yeah, like with vodka would be really good, but I just decided to use plain vodka from home that I didn't have to pay for. So it's like halfway empty, but whatever. It's vodka. is spiced apple prosecco, and what you'll need is a bottle of prosecco and spiced rum. We again are just going to use RUM-CHATA, whatever you prefer.
It's our favorite. And some apple juice or apple cider. We're using apple cider.
Apple cider.
That's the way to go.
Yeah.
It smells good.
And just whatever kind of apple you want to use to put in your drink afterwards. It's a nice little finishing touch.
Decoration.
Yes. All right. Let's go.
So we have.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching.
Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like our video, and tell us your favorite drink that we made today. We want to know what you guys enjoyed.
We're gonna leave all the directions, the ingredients, everything below. So see you later.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.